It's a beautiful day outside. You don't want to sleep, do you? Hey, let's go for a walk. You cool with that? You and I go to the park. Nothing special. No workout. No training. Let's go over and smell some grass. Well, you smell grass. I'll watch you smell grass. Sound good? All right, Kitt, I need you to stay right there while Daddy locks the door, okay? Hey, jump up on in here, buddy. Holy smokes, Kitt, we really need to clean this car. Yeah, hey, think you can help me clean the car? You think maybe you could do a little bit? All right, we're going to the park. I get it. You're not human. It's so warm out here, Kitt. We can actually roll down your window a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. Oh, don't take a nap now. We're gonna go play at the park. Oh, looks like you're ready to get out, huh? All right, let's do this. Yes, I know we're at the side of the park we used to train at all the time. But Kitt, hey, Kitt, Mr. Kitt, we're not training. All right, where do you want to go? You take me where you want to go. Or you just want to sniff? Okay, that's fine. We can do some sniffing. Hey, Kitt. Hey, Mr. Kitt. Bubby. Hey. All right, I know. Leave you alone. You're getting a good sniffer in. Hey, Kitt. Hey, buddy. There's a tree right there. Let's go sniff that tree. Maybe you would be a big dog and never mind. You know what I'm going to ask you to do. Go on, it ain't that hard. Go on. Maybe not today. Yes, there's kids on the other side, and I know that makes you nervous. But hey, I'm with you. Let's walk over this way, Kitt. Come on, let's go. Does it feel weird to be on this side again? We haven't been over here in a long time, have we? No. We used to train here, and then you got used to the road. What do you smell? What is it? You hear them children, don't you? Don't you? You know you got sleep in your eyes? Will you let Daddy get that out? Hey, Mr. Kitt, there's a big tree right there. Hey, we'll go over and smell this tree? Yeah. Go on, do what I want you to start doing. You're 8 months old. You're at least old enough, I would think, to do it. Mark your territory, puppy. Mark it. Now, once again, maybe not today. Hey, Mr. Kitt. Hey. The kids are gone. Yeah, the kids are gone. Oh, maybe that's the tree you're going to do it. Raise the leg. Raise your leg. Come on. Just raise your leg. Okay. I know. Not today. Oh, you're going to grab that? Okay, that's fine. Come on. We'll take it with us. Hey, you dropped your stick. You dropped your stick. Can I have your stick? Here. Can I have it? What you see? Here, get your stick. At least you're wanting to play with the stick. Uh-oh. That's a motorcycle. You know that sound? You do know that sound. What you looking at? What you see? What you see? Come here. Hey, what do you see? Okay, you don't have to tell me. Look at all these leaves that got on your leash. What the heck? Well, maybe it's not a tree that you may start actually hiking your leg. Maybe it's a bush. Kitt, I probably shouldn't let you in this. This is mulch, and they're trying to keep this nice and pretty. I'm sure dogs ain't allowed in it. So, hey, Kitt, Mr. Kitt, you ain't paying attention to me. Hey, you may not be allowed in here. Come on, now get out, come on. No, I gotta nudge you, come on, there we go. I don't think doggies are allowed in that. Hey, Kitt, there's a bench over there. You wanna go sit down with me? Come on, 1, 2. Yeah, that bench. No, not there. There, yeah. No, not over there. Straight ahead, come on. There's the bench. Hey, let's have a seat. 1, 2, oh, shoot. I don't think you can sit on this. Your feet will go through that. Oh, he hears the children. Here's the children. It's okay, honey. It's okay, baby. Nobody's gonna harm you. No. Kids are sweet. They will never hurt you. At least I don't think they would. Well, Mr. Kitt, we've been all over the park. Yeah, we've been all over. Do you want to go home now? Or you want to explore a little bit more? Hey, let's go to this picnic table. Yeah. Maybe we'd be okay over there for you to sit on it. Mr. Kitt, you know this spot. This is where Mom has lunch. And this is when we first started training you. Yeah, on Mom's lunch break, we started training you, then trained you more after she got off lunch. Yeah, you remember that, right? Come on, Kitt, come on. Yeah, let's sit down. Oh, there's your stick. You want to eat that stick? Maybe not. Here, baby. You enjoying your day at the park? He just wants to sniff everything, don't you? You see the peoples over there, don't you? Yeah, you do. Yeah. Get that camera out of my face, Dad. I'm sorry, but you're just so dang cute. I can't do that. I just can't do that. Hey, Kitt. Hey, Kitt. One more try, okay? There's a big tree right there. Let's do it. Is he going to do it? Is he going to do it? Get you a big sniffer. Come on, no, walk around the tree. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Other dogs have done it. I know you're smelling it. Yeah, smell all around that tree. Maybe today should be the day, Kitt. Raise that leg. Oh, maybe not. Okay, Mr. Kitt. Have you had enough fun? Should we go back home? Do you remember there was a time you would not walk on this pavement? Do you remember that? Yeah. Now you have no problems. Of course, you're much bigger now. Well, right there's the Defiant. Time for you and I to go home. We got one more test. Remember, right before you got into Defiant, whenever I used to train you, right here, right before you got into the Defiant, you used to throw a hissy fit. For some reason, you didn't like it right there. And we're parked in the same spot. Let's see how you do today. All right, Mr. Kitt, we're going to open the door. Okay, ready? Hey, let's get on in. Come on. Yep, just like before. There are so many smells in this area. You don't want no part of leaving, do you? I don't know what it is. This area right here must have thousands of smells. Well, Mr. Kitt, whoever watches this video, and if they like this type of content, we will make another one. And this time we'll do it even better, but from a different location. But they gotta like this type of content. Yeah, at least they get something beautiful to look at instead of looking at my ugly mug. You ready to go home? Did you at least have a good time? Did you? Maybe I should talk for you, right? I know doggies don't talk. I get it. I get it. He's still sleepy. Let's go home so you get a nap. You should be sleepy, because you've already had a long walk today. Then I took you for another outing, but we didn't want to waste this beautiful day. All right, Kitt, you ready to say, come on, let's get out of here? Okay, let's just pretend he said that. All right, tell him if you like this type of content, leave it down in the comments, and we'll do another one better than this down the road. Okay, let's go, Kitt. Thank everybody for watching. Come on, say thank you. Ah, you're such a sweetheart. Well, I can't say that. You're a boy dog. You're such an awesome, cool dude. Is that better? All right, we'll catch him next time.